Hi guys, Paul here from PA Outdoors Couple. See that right back there? That's the optical effect known as the triangle in Berwick, Pennsylvania, out here on Huntington Road. And there's a lot of stories about this place. A lot of, there's ghosts and there's demons and stuff like that. There's a lot of local history to this place. I used to come out here when I was younger as well. It's kind of grown up. A lot of trees have came down over the years. It is private property. Usually you get runoff and stuff. But one of the reasons why is a lot of people did a lot of silly things back here, drinking and drugging and all those things, if you know what I mean. So I'm not surprised a lot of people saw a lot of interesting things in this area. But this is one of the things that Berwick is known about is the triangle. And here we are, folks. Cheers. Bye-bye.